So our partnership with the Weld Food Bank started in about 2018, but it's just been the last 3 years that we've been doing the turkey Thanksgiving meal kits. Our first year we did 75. The second year we bumped it up to 100, and this year we're going for 120. So that's going to give us close to 300 in the 3 years. We had students tell us they didn't know how they were going to make Thanksgiving dinner for their kids. They were stressed out about it, and then they show up and they see how much it is. So it's a 15-pound turkey, a 5-pound bag of potatoes, a 5-pound bag of onions, and then a box of all the sides to go with it. We literally help them take it to their cars in wagons because it's too much to carry. So just a great response. Everybody's been so grateful.
There's been a couple times where people come in and they kind of they come to you and they're kind of crying because it means so much to them and it helps them so much that they're going to be able to feed their family for Thanksgiving. To be able to help be a part of that, it's something else.
This is our busiest week of the year. We absolutely love it. We literally couldn't do what we do without the Weld Food Bank. So if you're watching this,